How to create a logo in Canva for your Shopify store. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo in Canva for your Shopify store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify and Canva, you could also use my affiliate link on the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores with ease, in which it is designed for users of all technical skill levels. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface and customizable website templates. While Canva is a popular online graphic design platform that enables users to create a wide range of visual content quickly and easily, even without professional design experience. And aside from that, it also offers a drag-and-drop interface along with a vast library of templates, images, icons, fonts, and design elements suitable for social media posts, and many more. So now to create an account on Shopify, you can click the login button, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to proceed, we can start by going on the online store on the left side panel here, and under Themes section. All you need to do is simply click or go to your online store or click this icon. Then you will be directed on this page. And below to customize this, just click the button that says Customize Theme button. And by doing so, you will automatically be directed in here. And to start adding the logo, just click the settings option and click the logo button right here. And to create the logo, just go to this Canva and go to the left side panel under templates and search logo. By searching on it, you will be able to see here all of the logo templates that you can choose from. So all we need to do is simply choose here the kind of logo that we want to customize in here. So let's say in those options, I'm going to simply select this option that says ginger right here. So by simply clicking this button or option of template, it will show us in here the overview of it. As you can see, we have here two options of color. By clicking on it, it will automatically be directed us on the page in here on Canva, where we can start customizing the font size, the color of it, and even the background that you prefer, and even add more elements in here. But I'm going to choose this one, and you can start clicking on it to customize. For example, instead of ginger, I'm going to enter Bronx. And you could also select here or highlight some of these elements that you want to input in here. You can choose here the kind of color for the background and many more. I'm going to choose this one. Now from here, we can start customizing, for example, to replace or change the location of this design crown, which is for example at this part. Then rearranging some of this context in here, which says modern clothing. Now on the top left, you could also start clicking the resize button, where you can simply choose here the applicable size for your Shopify online store in here. And in this option, I'm going to choose the suggested, which is for example, and here I'm going to choose instead of this presentation and click copy and resize button to proceed, or resize this design to proceed. After that, it will show you that the design is now being resized. You can start customizing again the logo that we prefer, and even this one. Now, as you can see, it is now changed. We'd also add a kind of element that you want. For example, I'm going to input here instead of this crown, I'm going to replace to make it a painted heart. So I'm just going to delete this crown and go to the left side panel, and under the element section, all we need to do is simply search on the search bar heart or painted heart as an example in here. And I'm going to choose this one right here, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that this heart is now being added. We can also start replacing it in here. For example, you can put it in this O, or at this point I'm just going to simply input it directly in the X letter, which is way more fitted or suitable in here. And once you're done, just click the share button on the top right to save the changes, and click the download button right here. By clicking on it, you simply select this transparent background, but you must have an upgrade account in order to do so. And after downloading it, you simply go back to our Shopify online store and click the upload in here to select the files that we just add. Then you should be able to see here that the logo is now being uploaded. We can start resizing it in here by clicking or navigating the width section in here to adjust the size of it. Upon adjusting it, it will show you that the size of this logo has been changed to make it more bigger. Once you're done, you could also start resizing also if you want, depending on your preferences or your custom sizing here that you can select, for example, to enter the width and height and also the kind of units that you prefer. But at this point, I'm just simply make it simple and go with this one, which is the default. And once done, just click the save button on the top right to publish it and save the changes. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a logo in Canva for your Shopify store. Thank you.